Hey guys, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So this video is going to show you how to properly use our Goddess Hair Repair Serum on your hair care regimen, whether it be that you're using it daily or if you're using it every couple of days. So I'm going to use my client here as an example. She has fine textured hair where she had some spots that were almost bald and they're beginning to grow back. So she's been using the serum, but because she has fine textured hair, when she came in today, it was a little too oily. So I'm going to show you how to properly use the serum, whereas if you were vice versa, where you're natural, you might use it a little bit different. So I'm going to use my client here, and she brought in her drops, okay? So we're going to use hers. Open the cap. So the way the Goddess Serum bottle is designed, the dropper actually has a drop stopper for you. So it makes it where it only actually drops it in drops versus in a steady or constant flow, okay? So I'm going to take the dropper full, and I'm not actually going to use all of what you see here. I'm only going to use 1, 2, 3, 4 drops. And the reason I use 4 drops is because this area is the size of about a silver dollar. So if the area is the size of a silver dollar, you'll use 4 drops. If it's the size of a quarter, you'll use 3, nickel, 2, dime, 1. So that is how you can determine how many drops is needed per area. In her area, because that area is about the size of a silver dollar, that is why I use 4 drops. This information is also going to be down in the description box to kind of give you a guide on how much to use. Now, I put enough here because that is her trouble area. Tilt back for me. And then also her hairline is also her trouble area. But with the hairline, you only want to use 1 to 2 drops. I'm going to have you tilt to the side. And I'm going to divide the hair because I'm not dropping it on the hair. I'm dropping it on the scalp. And I'm going to put for her 1, 2. Okay? Take your fingers and massage it into the area. Okay, and then you can split the hair, because if you notice, I didn't actually put the serum in these areas, but it has already put itself or distributed itself anyway. So you're just going to massage those areas in. The serum is supposed to be used sparingly because it is extremely potent, and it's what we say potent meaning rich. So you don't need a lot. A little goes a very long way. So I only use 2 drops. The hairline does not require a lot because it is going to distribute anyway. So the best time to use your drops is at night, right before you go to bed, or if you work during the day, vice versa, same thing. You're going to do it right before you are going to your bed, okay? That is all that I'm going to use on her, because at the end of the day, the serum that I've already used is going to distribute when she goes to bed. So you don't have to use it all over the entire head. You can use just that little bit and massage it in to the other areas. Wrap your hair up and you're done. Okay? So I hope this video helped you to better understand how to use the Goddess Hair Repair Serum. This is also the same for the Goddess Growth Elixir. It is the same dynamic in regards to how it's used. So if you have the Growth Elixir, you can use it that way. If you have the Goddess Serum, you'll use it this way. Okay? Well, both the same. I said that kind of backwards. So I hope this video was of some value to you guys, and thank you so much to each and every one of you who have supported the cause in regards to the Goddess Hair Repair Serum and Elite Hair Care USA products. And don't forget, for those of you who have not been able to get your drops, you are welcome to do so now and use code YouTube, YOUTUB, and you'll save an additional 15% off your purchase. See you later.